Namaste. As most of you might have already guessed it is Hindola Ragam, which is one of the therapeutic ragas in Indian music, which heals most of the hormonal problems and stress-related problems. Now, why I didn't sing the lyrics or why I didn't sing the sahityam, there is a purpose. When I sang, people who are exposed to Indian classical music, especially Carnatic classical music, definitely know which composition it is. It is Samajavara Gamana Sadhuhrad Sarasabjapala Kalatita Vikhyata Samajavara Gamana. Yeah. So why I didn't sing Samajavara Gamana in the beginning and why I sang it, with a tune is mainly because I just wanted to discuss today about the therapeutic benefits of music on the memory. Memory problem is something that nowadays we listen very, very commonly, and how music can help memory, how it can help your neurological connections in the brain. It is a very, very interesting thing. As you yourself experienced it right now, when I sang na 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 na, immediately in your brain, even if you have not heard Samaja Varagamana for many, many weeks or months, you immediately remembered and recollected, and even the music and the sahityam, everything came in your brain because there was some neurological activity happened in the brain while you listened to Samaja Varagamana. So my today's topic, is effect of music on memory. How you can build your memory power using music. So there are many, many cases that I have seen in my clinical practice as well as in my family. Like, for example, when my father-in-law, when he was about 80 plus, and he had some issues about memory in his last during his last days, and but he was a great man with immense love for classical music, a lot of passion for Indian Carnatic music. So when he was here with us, and I used to hum some song, he was not able to recollect our names. He was not able to recollect the dates and the time and the seasons and such details. But if I hum things like, if I just, for example, if I say "Ah, na, 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 ah, na, na, ra, na, na," immediately he would say it is Vatapi Ganapati Bhaje. If I sing ta-da-da, na, 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 he would say it is Raghuvamsha Sudha. So, it kind of gave me reassurance that yes, music can definitely bring in some neurological functioning in the brain. When people are not able to recollect most of the details about so many facts and factuals, people can recollect songs. That itself shows that music has immense, memory related effects in our brain. So what you can do basically is, when Sri Krishna Bhakti Foundation with the Association of Varahi Samsthan Sydney, they organized one violin concert of our favorite Sumant Manjunath, who is son of Sri Mysore Manjunath sir. And in that concert, I was also very fortunate to be part of that concert. So I was thinking of doing this experiment with a crowd. Individually we did a lot of clinical studies, and it really proved that music helps in memory, music helps in reducing the stress, music helps in keeping the blood sugar levels under check, and music helps in hormonal problems and so many things like that. Music helps in concentration, etc., etc. But I just wanted to know what is the effect of music on a crowd, and purposefully we chose a crowd which was not really classically classical music oriented, in the sense most of the people in the crowd didn't know the basics also about Carnatic music. So Sumant Manjunath played Varnas and Kirtanas and Ragalapanas and Swarakalpanas, and there was also Thaniyavartanams, and it was so very well received. And you don't believe it, when the moment he played in the violin Vatapi, people recollected immediately it is Vatapi. We asked questions to the crowd. So it was a great experience to see that people really will have some kind of benefit while listening to classical music. Now, if you think that you don't like classical music, or if you think that in your day-to-day life you are not exposed to much of classical music, you are more familiar with cinema music, then even there you can do many experiments. You can listen to some instrumental songs, your familiar songs. Like if you go to YouTube and you search some Bollywood melodies, Hindi old melodies, instrumental, then they have many instrumental tracks, so where you can just try to recollect which song it is. Or if you are a singer and you want to do this therapy to your elderly parents or uncles or known people, family, friends, you can hum some songs to them and ask them to see if they can recollect the lyrics, if they can recollect the charana, the stanzas of that song. So for example, If you just hum like then they are supposed to recollect it like ये जिंदगी उसी की है जो किसी का हो गया प्यार ही में खो गया ये जिंदगी उसी की है. No, they're all the songs based on Carnatic ragas or the Indian ragas basically. I can't say them Carnatic ragas, you have it in Hindustani, Carnatic both. Or you can just hum things like na 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 and drop there. Ask the person to continue. ये मंजिले हैं प्यार की ना हम अजीब दास्ता है. Let people guess, let people you sing and drop it there and let the family members continue. It is like a game. You just sing a line and then people continue that. It also helps your brain, the functioning of your brain. Now you can also do another experiment, that is take the song from somewhere in the middle, like for example na 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 ra na 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 ra na 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 ask which is the song, then it should be मेरे नैना सावन बादो फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा फिर भी मेरा मन प्यासा. So many songs, there are many famous popular songs which you can use as a therapeutic agent to heal someone, to check someone from going towards the memory loss. You can use the new songs, you can use the old songs, you can use bhavagites, you can use devarnamas. Just sing na 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 na. Definitely they think, okay, this is Bhagyada Lakshmi Varamma. So this one helps in a lot of cognitive powers of the brain, the memory centers in your brain. So you can use music as not just as antidepressant, or not just for autistic children, or not just for reducing the stress levels, but you can use music to improve your memory, improve your cognitive skills, improve your recollecting powers, and also improve your lyrical skills. You just drop the song somewhere, ask someone to pick it, or you yourself do it, listening to some instrumental music and trying to recollect the lyrics. So I just thought of sharing my findings, my clinical studies with you, how music can be used to help the memory powers. We have done many seminars and many, music therapy based concept concerts where we have used this kind of experiments to see the response from different age groups, and we have received immense positive response always. So once again, thanks for listening to me, and hope to see you all again with another topic very soon. Thank you so much. Namaste.